Hi besties. I've looked better. Hello, welcome to Vlogmas. I don't know what day this is, so let's insert it here. Yay! Today is just gonna be, I don't know if this is gonna be a weekend vlog or just like a day in my life vlog, but today I'm off from work. We've got cleaning to do, we've got filming to do, we've got cookies to make. We are having Amanda and Ashley over tonight for a fun little like end of the school year decompress, holidays decompress. We're gonna make some holiday cookies, we're gonna drink some alcohol, and we're gonna watch some movies. So today's gonna be lovely. I'm utilizing my day off from work to clean this whole damn house, to film tomorrow's Vlogmas, which will definitely already be up when you see this, so it's my outfits video, and hopefully work on some homework, because I do have my last like homework assignment due Saturday, and then my final is due next week, so I do have to work on both of those. The homework assignment is easier, they both need to get done. So yeah, first though, priority is cleaning. I gotta clean, and then I want to film while it's still daylight outside, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store, and then we are going to have some fun and possibly work in homework with whatever time is left. But first I need to make my bed. I need to do this ridiculously absurd pile of laundry and just get it going. We have a much smaller laundry and dryer here than we did at the last place, so it piles up a lot easier. And I'm just having issues staying on top of it, but you know what? That's what days off are for. It's for figuring it out. But yeah, so let's start our day. I say it's literally 12. I woke up and I had a therapy appointment, so we're officially starting the day now. All right, brought up some laundry. I did a quick tidy up of each room that is mine. I didn't touch Kevin's. You know, I have to pick that up. But did a nice good sweep. Got some garbage. Just sort of primped and fluffed, cleaned everything. Oh, I wiped down the table and then like our big counters, and I used this Myers apple cider scented like cleaner. I got this for like $5 from Target, and it smells so good and it matches the candle I'm burning, so that has been pretty iconic. Hi Eggman. He is a little menace and he broke one of, oh, that's the ice, don't worry about it. He broke one of my nutcrackers, so he's currently being quarantined. I also found the box with all my candles in it, so I'm gonna open that up and put those away when I get back. But we're headed to the grocery store now. Me, not him. And I'm gonna get all the stuff for tonight and just like generally grocery shop for the next week, because then I'm out of here. So nothing crazy. The list is not too long. We are gonna go try to get it done quick, and then I am going to come back. I'm gonna film my freaking video, and then we're just gonna vibe for the rest of the day. I'll see if I get some homework done. I should probably get some homework done. We'll see if it actually happens. So let's go. We are back. Figured I'd give a fun little grocery haul. Run through it real quick as I put it away. Chips for Kenan. 2 baby little apple pies for me and Kenan. Ugh. We're almost out of flour. This just kind of sprayed everywhere. Stuff is falling. Flour and sugar. Muffins, chocolate chip muffins. Glare. They're just sun muffins. LOL. Mashed potatoes for tonight. Oh, Ikey looks really cute right now. He's so cute. He keeps just putting his little head there. Oh my god. I love you. Thank goodness he's not getting any taller, because that's where he destroyed one of my birds, my little Christmas bird. So if he was taller, he'd be even worse. Anyways, mac and cheese for camping. Ooh. Iced coffee, now freshly covered in some flour. We've got champagne and apple cider. Current drink of choice, apple cider mimosa. It just really hit on Friendsgiving. Down here we have a bunch of like cleaning stuff, and I have to bring it out there anyway, so I'm not going to show you, but I got laundry detergent and dish detergent and garbage bags, and then some saran wrap. I also got corn, some bread, Texas toast. That's not for you, dog. Got some Swiffer wet jet pads, because ours are somewhere. We lost them in the move, so they will resurface at some point, but until then, got a couple Crescent, what are these, like, I guess just containers. Poppies, like, I don't know what they are. You know what I mean. Some paper towels, because I think we do have more paper towels, but I can't find them. So, they're somewhere. Oh, okay. So tonight we're making, okay. Tonight we are making cookies. I got another cookie sheet, because ours are just like, number one, I think they're both dirty. Number two, they are like old and kind of grimy, and I don't like using them because I get skeeved out a little bit, and so I will be throwing at least one of them out. Because they're just, they never seem fully clean, and I can't get over that. Cookies. I do have other cookie dough that I bought last weekend that's waiting. That's just regular chocolate chip and sugar. I tried to get the Pillsbury little ones. They didn't have them. They never do. So then I also got like just little, icing for the cookies, and then like red and green. And then I got these, because this, I just couldn't say no. They were like $3. They're little like frosting, you know, guys, except they're mittens, and they're Christmas themed. Look at that. Like, that is just so cute. It was a good gimmick. They got me. And then there's also like a fun little converter chart on the back. So helpful in multiple ways. And that's our grocery haul. I'm gonna put all this away, and then I'm gonna go get ready, film my video while there's still sunlight out, and then I will catch up with you. Okay, it's been a hot second. We finished filming. Kenan got home. We had a little snacky, and now I'm gonna edit my video, and the girly pops are on their way over. So then we're gonna make some cookies and watch some Christmas movies. I've already started my drink of the evening, so cheers. I want to get this edited before they're here. I have an hour. Ow. Let's go. Christmas cookies made. The girly pops have been here for a little while. We've been chatting. Hi. We've been drinking.
We have.
Iggy has been peeing, as he always does.
Yes.
Quite a bit. And Ashley so kindly got us these Target gingerbread cookie buildings. There's so many options that they have. I'm so shook about it.
We gotta make sure it has a card.
It's so good. Oh my god, I really hope it has him.
I do too.
I need to see how you structurally make this sound.
Oh wait, I
and
noticed,
make it
well, I noticed each one has a different little stamp. So now with extra cheer, happiest holidays. Home sweet holiday.
Oh, sweet love.
Mom can't read, but English teacher.
Makes sense. But we've been having a lovely night. There are more cookies over there.
So good.
And we're vibing. Hi vlog. It's the next day. We slept very late until like maybe noon, 12:30. It's about 1. We are gonna go get some breakfast and then bowl and try out Kenan's new bowling ball that I got him for Christmas. And we are gonna come back, and then I'm gonna do my homework. I have one homework assignment that is due today. That is not like, it's not that deep. It can be as long as I want it to be. But my final paper is due next Saturday. And I'm flying next Saturday to New York. So I need to get that done beforehand. And I'm very bad at doing things like way in advance, especially when I'm tired and like want to enjoy my time off, because God, am I tired and I want to enjoy my time off. But I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna make some of it happen, at least. But yeah, last night was so fun. It was such a good time. It was such a good end to like an insane week for all of us. So I'm very glad, very grateful for the girly pops, and having them over was so lovely. I'm gonna put on shoes now. We're gonna go to Rosie's Diner and I'm gonna get myself a waffle. Oh, look. Is Iggy playing in the snow? It did snow last night. He's a big snow fan. He loves to run around in it. So, wow. Having so much fun. Kennan's a real bowler now. First throw with his new ball. That's a great sign. There you go. POV, you're Rudolph. Yep. Alrighty, just got back home, picked up the mail, and my two little prints from Egg Dudes. Ooh. My two little prints from Egg Dudes just came in the mail, and I ordered them like a month ago. So forgot they were coming, but so slay. I'm so glad they're here. They're genuinely so cute. The world is beautiful because you're in it. I hope all the love you give to others finds its way back to you. I love their art so much. They're literally who designed my phone case. So glad those came. And then on the way back, we stopped at PetSmart for Iggy. This is going to be his Christmas present. Don't tell him. Because he needs a little jacket. It snowed again. And he needs a little boots. We got him little boots. So I will be filming him putting those on because they're going to be very cute. There he is. I have to go do homework.
Yeah, but thank God you're still doing vlogmas.
This is homework of a different kind. I am attacked. I am attacked with love. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
He loves you very much.
He does. He's just a crazy boy about it.
He loves me.
Hey, hey, hey. Okay, I'll be so honest. I've been procrastinating my homework very badly, but I did just reorganize my vlogmas schedule and, you know, just sort of put in some other ideas, shift some things around. So this is what the content is looking like for the rest of the year. Just a fun little sneak peek for you. Also, I have been trying to get the hang of Notion. I really have just been using the calendar page, but I quite like the calendar page. So we're going to try to look at some other stuff too at some point. But the calendar page has been very useful thus far. And now I will do my homework. Are you ready, Mr. Bop? New clothes. New clothes. Wow. Look at this. Crazy. You're so excited. Wow. Good card. Okay, there we go. Do you see? Sit. Iggy, sit. Iggy, sit, stay. Iggy, sit, stay. Wow. Little outfit, yes. You have a little outfit on. Wow, you're gonna be so nice and warm. Wow.
Still pee out of it?
Handsome.
And not pee on it?
I think so, yes. Should be able to. Now it's time for the boost.
The real trick.
Oh, thank you for the licks. Thank you for being such a good boy.
Hey, Iggy.
Iggy.
He's okay.
He is a little Iggy boy, and he has bad feet that
He's
need
doing
his
so
boots.
well.
I'm so proud of you, Iggy boy. Yay! Iggy boost time. Iggy boost. Please, Philip. Please.
His back left is off.
Oh my God, his other one is off. Dude, how'd you do that? Baby.
His front left is coming off.
Damn, bro, what the heck? Do you want to try?
Sure, man.
Boot time. It's boots the house down, mama. Oh, icky. Hi.
Come on, you want to go outside?
Oh. This is so funny. He's so funny.
Hey, come on. Let's go outside. Bro,
Yeah.
how much you want to bet we lose one of these shoes outside right now?
Oh, definitely. Absolutely.
Because his front right one's already facing left.
These are way too big for him.
Come on, Boopy.
Good boy. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas.
Coward.
Sunday. Also, I'm not a coward because literally, as I told you, I was going to rewrite it and I thought I might be using it for my final. And I am using it for my final.
Well, I'm not saying
My
you're a
final
coward
TikTok.
for not having sent it. I'm saying you're a coward for not answering my question and going straight into the camera.
We're going to breakfast. Kennan's bullying me. Oh, icky. You want to go outside? He likes his little jacket. He's pretty cool about wearing it, so not so much the boots. We're back from breakfast. Everything's sort of a little bit messy, so I'm gonna clean. I gotta figure out how to return those boots. And then I'm gonna read, and that's gonna be its own separate other vlog, so let's do a bit of cleaning.
You laughing at me?
I was trying to film and you started the warbling.
Warbling!
Yeah, like the warblers from Glee.
Yeah. Oh, no.
You said yeah already.
No, that's because I was thinking of Buster Scruggs.
Oh, no. I am always thinking of Glee.
I know this.
Okay, well, what I was going to say. Oh, when I was cleaning up on Friday, I found our big old box of candles. I can't remember if I showed you or not, but this is my candle that I made at the Weathered Wick that when? Like September?
Sure.
Just like a very long time ago. And then we immediately packed it away because I was like, oh, I want to burn in the new house. So here we are in the new house and it's time to burn it. But yeah, it has Egyptian amber, moonflower, and autumn apples. And it smells divine. Hey, let's keep it so real. I did my homework and now I've just been playing Stardew Valley for like 3 hours. That's probably what the rest of the evening will consist of. It's 6 p.m. I'm gonna have dinner and just chill, quite honestly. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed a fun little weekend vlog. This I think will be going up as my Monday vlogmas, so you'll be seeing this hot, fresh, and ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having fun with vlogmas so far. I'm loving it. I haven't had the chance to watch a lot of vlogmases because I'm like doing it, but I'm hoping to catch up on them this week, maybe tonight. Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful whatever time of day you're in, and you'll be seeing me very soon. Okay, love you, bye.